we will be using the head of the character to measure the other body parts. We need to balance it out first by drawing a straight line in the center. It doesn't get imbalanced with the eyes and the ears. First thing is to measure the head and compare it with the other body parts, ki how many heads it will take to cover the whole character. The second head is coming till the red scarf of the character Inosuke, and this skull will come till there and bit above the knees. From where the curves for the legs are starting, they are a bit bigger than the second head, and it will be covering up the whole upper part. For the calves, we will be measuring it with the head, and half, bit more than half, is coming till the feet, the toes and all, and we will be looking at the angles at which shoulder, legs, calves, arms are all twisted, and even the body, how it's balanced. So yeah, that's why the angles are need to be look over here. I will recommend not to take the circle as too big, otherwise you won't be able to fit it in your sheet. So take it more reasonable and will be easier for you to look at the overall image you are drawing. I'll be taking this much size of the head. This is for the upper body, and the third circle bit smaller than the third circle our feet will come. So here I'm drawing my first circle and the second. Don't mind if you are making it big wider, but it should be the same vertically, even though it's not horizontally. That's the rough idea, no need to take pressure. So here the whole head, vertically we can see how wide it is, but we need to know this exact same thing horizontally. So as we can see, horizontally it's wider as compared to vertical, right? So we will be making two lines in this, one horizontal line, one vertical line, which will be passing through the center. This is just the marking to make it more clear. So this is the bottom of the head and the top, the center, and this is the horizontal line to know where our eyes and the nose will lie. If there is bit of difference, don't worry, this is just a rough sketch. We need to look at the overall image first, then get into details. So no need to sweat on it. Draw a rough sketch of the hairs and the ears. We can know the placement of these. Now the shoulder, the angle, it's the center of the shoulder is passing through in between eyes. Now we will go for the chest, the angle at which it's lying, we will draw that and make a basic structure of the whole thing.